Good morning. In this video, we are going to learn about how to construct an isometric circle with 4-point method. Draw a baseline. As usually with the isometric view, you draw a 30 degrees line and 30 degrees line here. And now you construct a cube here. Okay, construct a cube with the given diameter of the circle or a cylinder or whatever it is. Whatever the diameter, suppose if the diameter of the circle is 30 mm, then you construct a cube of 30. So not only a cube, a rhombus. Okay, so now I will show you how to construct the rhombus here. Okay, so now let us take 30 mm. Okay, first I will take the height as 30 mm. Okay, so for your convenience I will take 40. So 40 mm, and on right side I'll take once again 40 mm this side also. Okay, once again I will make the scale with the xy, and I will draw a line with once again 40 mm, and here I'll try to join this. Okay, so now I have constructed a rhombus. Suppose if I extend these two lines here with 40 mm, and I can draw a cube over here. Now I want to show you how to draw a circle inside this rhombus with the 4-point method. So now in this one logic you have to make it. That is, the procedure is, first of all you have to take the midpoint of this one and midpoint of this one. Okay, so now what is the total length? I have taken 40. So I'll take the midpoint of this one is 20 and the midpoint as 20 mm. Okay, after taking this as a midpoint, what I'll do is just I will lose this scale, and I will try to join the bottom midpoint. So this is bottom line midpoint and this is top line midpoint. Okay, so now I will try to join this bottom line midpoint to the opposite ends, that is extreme end points. So now see here, lightly I will draw extreme lines. Okay, now from this point I will connect these 2 points. Okay, in the same way I will try to join the top midpoint to the bottom extreme points. Okay, so now this is the top midpoint and bottom extreme point. In the same way I will join this point also. Okay, now I got a structure. How many diagonals are there? This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. So in these two diagonals I will select the longest diagonal. So longest diagonal is this one. By looking naturally we can conclude that this is the longest diagonal. Now simply I'll take the longest diagonal, I'll construct it. Okay, after drawing the longest diagonal, after this short diagonals are cutting at 2 points. This is one point and this is another point. Okay, so I can, longest diagonal is cutting two other diagonals. Okay, right. So I will mark this point and this point. So after getting this point, so these are 2 points, and where are the another 2 points? So to construct the a circle. Okay, so now with the help of the compass, so the help of the compass with this point as a center, with this as a radius. Okay, this as a radius. Now see, simply I'll try to connect up to this particular point. Okay, and in the same way I'll to connect the same line with this length from this point to this point. Okay, another one. Next, the opposite corners of this one. Okay, so this is the edge point. From this edge point I'll try to connect this point. Okay, I'll take the radius here and simply I'll try to connect this one. Okay, so now it is meeting at this particular point, and in the same way this is the opposite corner. From this point, this is the opposite corner. Now you can see the I have not taken the radius, but it is matching. Okay, so simply by taking constructing here simply draw another arc. So it is going to match at this place. So after connecting, just you make this line as a dark line. Okay, with the help of the changing the pencil, you can make this line dark. So like this. Okay, and here also you make it dark. Okay, I am making with hand. You please don't make it with the hand. You use only the dark pencils. Okay, after construction you make it dark. So here what are these 4 points? One is the longest diagonal is intersecting the diagonals at these 2 points, midpoints, and this is one other point which are going to connect with this as a radius. Okay, from this point to this point as radius, you connect this one, and opposite corner with this corner you can connect these 2 points. Okay, in the same way I will try to connect. Suppose if this is a cylinder, suppose cylinder which is lying at this side, so I will construct the same picture, same rhombus here, same rhombus here. Simply I will extend these points, I will transfer these points. So how I am going to transfer these points? So simply I will take another point. So let us take the length of the cylinder is 80 mm. So I will take 80 mm from this point. Okay, 80 mm from this point. Okay, this is one of the corner, and another corner is this one. Same, I will put 80 mm here, and I'll take the corner here. Okay, and another one is these 2 points. So 80 mm from this point. Okay, and 80 mm from this point. Now here what I got? I got 4 points. Okay, as usually like this 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the 4 points here. So from these 4 points, I can also construct. So here, without constructing the rhombus, I am going to construct a circle. Okay, so how? So simply I will take the dimensions here. Okay, and with the same as a center, I'll try to connect it. Okay, and this has a center with this as a radius. Okay, with this one as a center. Okay, another one with opposite as a center. Okay, then next whatever the distance which is here, just I will take it down here with the same radius, with the same as a center. Simply I'll connect these 2 points. Okay, so here in the same way I got the circle. So to transform it, so I want to form a cylinder. So taking this as a reference line, simply the outermost edges, simply join the outermost edges. So I'll try to join the outermost edges of this one. Okay, so now here, suppose after forming this cylinder, so now this is the outline of the cylinder and this is the back side line, అంటే వెనకాల ఉన్న లైన్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే దీన్ని ఒక్కదాన్ని మాత్రమే డార్క్ చేయాలి. ఎందుకు డార్క్ చేయాలి దీన్ని ఒక్కదాన్ని? ఇది వెనకాల ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఈ లైన్ కనపడదు మనకు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద సిలిండర్ విచ్ ఈస్ ప్లేస్డ్ హారిజాంటల్లీ. అలాగే మనకు వర్టికల్గా ప్లేస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో ఇలా మనము ఫర్దర్గా ఇది ఇప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్లో